This tutorial is on how to use the Move tool. The Move tool is this arrow tool that's up here on the left side of this panel, and that allows you to move things on your layout. So to demonstrate that, I'm going to go and find a picture from my file. So I select my file down in my tab. I select what image I want to use, and you hold the left click button on your mouse the entire time without letting go. If you do let go, it will disrupt the connection and you'll have to do that over again. But once you get to your layout, then you just let go and it puts it directly on your layout. Another way to add something to your page is to open it differently, and I'm going to demonstrate that for you. Turn this off. So what you do is you go to File, and then you open, and you go to your pictures that you're wanting to use. I'm just going to select one and click on Open. And once you do that, that's going to create a tab up here. So I've got my new project that I'm working on, and then this is an open picture that I just opened. So I want to get this picture to my new project. In order to do that, you have your Move tool selected, you click on your picture, and you hold the left click on your mouse the entire time without letting go. Drag it to your project that you're working on, and then once you get it there, you can let go. So that's how you move your pictures from either your tabs up here or your files that you have opened below. So how to resize your pictures, you want to make sure that your transform control has been checked. If this box isn't checked, you can see that the little handles, the little boxes here to resize things are gone. So I click on transform controls, and that makes the boxes appear again. Now, when you're working with a photo, you want to make sure that you resize it and keep it in proportion. So if I were to go to the corner and resize this without holding my shift key down, then it distorts my picture and it makes your picture all crazy. But if I hold the shift key down and resize, it stays in proportion the whole time you're resizing it. So make sure that you hold the shift key down when you're doing any resizing. And once you get it to the size that you'd like, you can use the Move tool in the center or anywhere on your selected on your object to move things around wherever you want to on your layout. If I wanted to rotate this picture at all, you go to the corner. If your arrow is straight, that means that you can resize the image. If you move away just a little bit from your corner, it turns into this curved arrow, and that allows you to rotate it. So that's how you rotate and resize. And once you do that, you have to OK and confirm what you've done. And you can do that by either clicking this checkbox or just hitting the Enter on your keyboard. And that confirms everything that you've done, you're resizing, you're rotating, so that you can move on to the next step. Now you can also use the Move tool to come over here and move your layers to different spots on your layout if you need to do that. Your Move tool allows you to move your different elements if you're working with flowers. Anytime you want to move anything on your page, you'll select this arrow tool. And that is how that function works.